Hey! So I went over to Lola's place for an all-day cooking activity with the young women. It was a ton of fun, but like, wow, after 4 hours of cooking was I actually pretty tired.
I'm gonna go die.
Yeah, it was just so much fun to like eat Marshallese food again. I don't know what it is, but like Marshallese pancakes are just a little bit different. And like, I miss them. We would actually use them for the sacrament bread in Evi. It was just like so good. Maybe they use more sugar or something. And they're definitely fluffy, right? Like, love the fluffy pancakes. And Marshallese donuts, like, the girls who were going to bring the recipe for the donuts, they didn't bring it. So I found one online from some people who are staying in the Marshall Islands. So I think my recipe actually used a little bit less sugar than what is actually normally used because it wasn't quite as sweet. But, you know, that's probably for the best. I'm mad below, for real.